So, hi! So, nag-crochet ako ng sa ganito. Pouch. So, lisod kayo ni ang pouch. I'm 9 years old. My birthday is done at March 19. Yeah, when I was 8, I know how to crochet.
Yeah, when she was 7.
8.
Kung pag 7 naman naka-crochet lang ito.
You're the one who said to crochet. And then I was so curious when I was 7. Then when I turned 8, OMG, naka-crochet na lagi ko.
Tingala, ate na, karang wala ka naka-realize na nakapalit na di ka ani, kay paspas na kayo ang panahon. Look at this, guys. See. I'm a noob pala, guys.
Doon pala siya.
Beginner pa lang.
Beginner pa akong tita. Yep. So, i-show na ko ang mga kit. So, mo yung crochet niya. This is all my kit. Hiram lang niya. And here's my yarns. Yep, and here what I crochet right now.
Ay, ate, kumawrat good ni ate. Butangin na nag-purple. Because purple and red makes the perfect combination.
Tama jud ka. Right. Purple. And guys, I'm still a beginner as well.
I have something to say. Okay. Mao din ni ang pinaka-big na, sorry? Hook? Ba di ba yung pinaka-big na hook? This is the biggest hook sa kit ni Iara. And then, ang pinaka-gagmay, nakasilupin pa. Pero sa din... I can't breathe.
So, goodbye guys ha. Di ako mag-video. Okay? Tayo mo nag-isip ko na.